welcome back to the club. My name is Courtney, and as promised, y'all got that first video to 20 likes. If you haven't seen it, go watch it and then come back and watch this one. This time I also have a special guest, AJ, joining me in this taste test video. So like I said, the first time it was just so many snacks for me to eat by myself. So that's why we're here in two parts, and AJ's gonna help me with this one. So we're just gonna go ahead on and get started. I'm gonna let you do the honors. Pick what you want first.
Some little candy.
Okay, so this is probably one of the kids' candies, and it just says candy on it. Oh, it has like, let's put some in here. It has like little varieties. Let's see if I can show y'all as AJ tells us what it tastes like. So, can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? I'm over here really trying to show y'all. AJ, what it tastes like?
It just tastes like somebody got a bunch of sugar and just made a shape into it. It's just sugar.
Yeah. I thought that was gonna be kind of like Pop Rocks. I was gonna have like some kind of sizzle, but
Pure sugar.
yeah. I feel like you would want to do this if you needed some energy and you was just like, ooh, let me get some sugar in me. Just take like a handful of this and you'll be good for like an hour and a half. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, we're not taste testing any drinks. So I just got water and what do you have?
Lemonade.
Okay. Now we're gonna go into these. I think this is, if you follow me on Instagram, I also do taste tests on Instagram with different snacks. And my tutor had gave me a bag of snacks, and this looks just like that. So this is that snack. I just remember it being really, really, really soft. Like super soft. Show y'all. This is what it looks like. What do you think?
It's very airy.
Girl. Mark.
You barely have to bite it.
Like it's like as you shake it, like the particles are just like going all around.
It's not bad. Sweet. Like a cream puff or something.
Just without the cream.
Yeah.
Oh no. But it's from the same company that had those the cream roll ones. And those were fire. Remember, those are the ones I thought had that cinnamon taste. It tastes like a cinnamon roll. But these like actually kind of give cinnamon roll. And they're individually wrapped, so if you want to put it in your bag and want to give somebody, you could. So, just FYI. This is what it looks like. So it's, what is it? Oh, okay. The other one was not crunchy.
It tastes like a mix between a Kit Kat and a wafer cookie. You know those wafer cookies they have, those waffle cookies?
Yeah.
The cream is hot.
Yeah, I wonder what this and the cream one, you gotta try that cream one. That was really good. Like, it really tastes like a cinnamon roll. But I feel like if you put that on top of it, it'll probably give you a crunch. We done made a snack.
It's the best one so far.
I'm still chewing. Okay. We're gonna go back to a kid snack. This is what the bag looks like. It looks like animal crackers. Yeah. Oh, and they have words on them.
I've had these before.
Oh, I haven't. What is it? It say monkey, but I don't know if this look like a monkey, y'all. I'm just saying. Like, see, it say monkey. Oh, I'm sorry.
This was
Oh, here you go. Monkey. What did it say?
Polar bear.
And then horn owl. They putting hard animals. They ain't even the easy ones. So it's just like animal crackers, but they're not sweet. It's like a true cracker. I gotta talk to my Japanese friend about these shrimp snacks because I need to find out like what's up with the shrimp snack. But I ain't never shied away from no challenge, so we gonna try them. Yeah, I just haven't got off to the right footing with the dried shrimp, the shrimp. Y'all. Oh man, I promise you. All right, give me 1 second. Show everybody what it look like. This is what it look like, y'all. Oh, you can smell it. It is a very, very potent. Is it bad?
Actually, it tastes. You don't even taste it.
You don't.
The
It's the smell.
more to the end, you get a little bit more taste, but you don't really taste it. That's not terrible.
This is actually one of the better ones. I think also because it has a crunch, so it's like not soft like that other one was super soft. I feel like the smell is what is the issue. Just because, I mean, it's shrimp. Shrimp has a very loud smell, but seems like your snack list has moved around.
Make sure you got some gum around you when you eat this.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Next, we're going to go to the cheese stick, people. So these cheese sticks are always in the store, and they have like so many different varieties. Ooh. This one looked like it got a little spice to it. The other one was more like a cheese puff ball, but this one, it looked like it got a. So.
This one.
Oh my god, y'all. I'm sorry. It's like, it ain't nasty, but it's like a heat. It's like, I don't know. It's something that it just don't taste right. My taste bud's not feeling something. You like it?
No.
Yeah, like it's, I don't know. It's something, like it's not spicy.
Try it again.
Like it's not spicy.
Honey barbecue, maybe?
Yeah, like it's like, but it's missing something to like take it over. So it's like it just stands, like it just it's like a flat line. Like a chili, like powder flavor. Oh, I ain't a fan. Nope.
Like if you had all the dust at the bottom of those, remember those honey barbecue Frito twists?
Yeah.
That's what this tastes like.
But those aren't bad. I actually like the twist.
That's what this is. That's that flavor.
No, it's not.
That's that flavor.
No, it's not. Next, we're gonna do
I like the shortbread.
Happy Turn. That's what it said at the top. This is the packaging. These are also individually wrapped. So, you know, if you want to put them in your bag or your purse, and you was like, ooh, I want to give one to somebody. See, look, sharing is caring. So we're gonna unwrap it.
You handle these out. This is a grandma's.
Put them in. These are a
snack.
church snack. So then when you go to church and it's like somebody's hungry, you just pass it. Oh, y'all. Oh.
I think it's better.
I thought it was gonna be sugary.
That's what you get for
I
assuming.
thought it was gonna.
That's what you get for assuming. It gets better.
It's like a sour. I'm getting a sour taste. It's very soft. It's very salty, but I feel like as I start chewing more and more, it gets sour. Oh, it literally says soft rice cracker, sweet and salty.
There you go.
I don't see sweet at all. Sour and salty. I would go for that. Okay, y'all. Last but not least,
Oh, these bear nuts.
we have the Kaki no Tani rice cracker and peanuts. You know, I speak a little Japanese from time to time. It's from time to time. This is what the packaging looks like. AJ really likes these. They get these on the plane.
And bars.
So, this is what it looks like.
A little spicy at the beginning.
Yeah, it's really spicy, and then it goes away. But when you come to Japan, typically there's like a trail mix that's given. And in the trail mix are these little guys, the long piece. Uh-oh.
The rice cracker.
Yeah, the rice cracker. But they're really, really spicy, but they're really, really good, especially on a plane. Like, all your senses are heightened, so you're excited for them. I enjoy it whenever I get on the plane to come to Japan, because I know I'm going to get this treat. 1 second, y'all. I think, personally, the best snack was these. I think this was the best snack that we got. What's yours?
Crackers.
Told y'all. He really likes those. So that's all the snacks that we have. Thank y'all for watching, and maybe if y'all get these likes, we'll do another one. What you think? I don't know if he'll join, but I will do another one. Thank y'all, and see you in the next video.